Yo guys, what's up? This is Lsaverftw here. Welcome back to my channel and also welcome back to a brand new pickups review. Today we're going to be going over two of my latest Amiri pickups straight off the web. So the two jeans that we'll be going over today, one Grateful Dead Thrasher jean and the second one is going to be the Bleached Gradient Crystal jean. So these two are the jeans that we're going to be going over. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. These bags are really noisy, so I'm going to be taking them out of the bags before I start talking. So right here, have a look. This is a brand new pair of the Grateful Dead collab jean right here. As you can tell from the tag, it says Grateful Dead Thrasher Classic right there. This is a really crazy detailed pair of jeans right here. You know how Supreme always does collaboration with other brands? So this is pretty much Amiri doing a collaboration with the rock and roll band. Also, they just have a bunch of artwork and stuff that resembles the Grateful Dead on this pair of jeans right here. This collaboration consists of a t-shirt in several colors. Also, they made a hoodie, which was really cool. It had the Grateful Dead bears over their Mary Bones on the sleeves. That was really sick. And the third item was this pair of jeans that they did. So let me give you guys some brief info about the Grateful Dead. It's an American rock and roll band that was founded in like 1960s or something like that. They're really known for like psychedelic music mixed with like rock and roll and jazz. But if you guys want to dig deeper into the Grateful Dead, you guys could obviously Google search whatever it is that's on the internet. Let's dive straight into the details of this pair of jeans right here. It's a really awesome pair of jeans. You get these Grateful Dead dancing bears on the right leg. You have these corduroy patches. Also, you get this velvet really soft patch printed over the leg area right there. And for some reason, this pair of blue denim is extremely stretchy. It's an Italian 5-pocket denim, so it is really comfortable, super ultra soft, super stretchy as well. And not to mention, you get this artwork with the flowers of the Grateful Dead just to add some nice texture to the jeans right here. So we get this multicolored corduroy on the left leg, cotton rib patches on both the legs right there. Now this is a standard classic Thrasher, so you're gonna have the blowout distressing on the left knee area. Also, you get a little bit of flowers on the shin area as well. And not to mention, we have this nicely detailed artwork on the pocket right there. And on the back of this, we have the Grateful Dead skull. This is actually Amiri's like custom artwork with roses on the bottom, and then they added some nice texture on top of this skull. If you guys actually look at the Grateful Dead's artwork, I didn't really want to put it onto this video for copyright reasons, but I would probably leave a link of it in the description. Pretty much on the Grateful Dead's artwork, they had a backdrop of a tie-dye background, and you just have this skull dead in the middle. Also, they had the dancing bears on the bottom. Pretty much that just kind of resembles the rock and roll band. Amiri took some inspiration so they could show like a tribute to the legacy of the Grateful Dead rock and roll band. They did a really good job on this collaboration. A little bit about sizing. I'm usually a 32. I'm 170 pounds and about 5 feet 10. These 32s fits me perfectly. The only thing is sometimes the knee areas doesn't exactly reach straight on my knees. This one still works a little bit. It's not too far off. So the second pair of jeans right here I got, it's called a Bleached Gradient Crystal jean. This pair of jeans right here is one of Amiri's most detailed pair of jeans that they offer on their website. This is one of the pair of jeans that's been out for quite some time. Speaking of that, I also have the OG crystal jean right here as well. So if you guys want to see them side by side, the crystals have been updated slightly. The new ones are obviously colored, and this is printed on a much lighter pair of denim right here. This is also a size 32. I'm usually a 32 true to size on most Amiri jeans, so most of my purchases lately has been 32. I haven't needed to size up or size down on my recent purchases, but yeah, this is pretty much a heavily distressed pair of jeans right here with paint splatter on the front to the back. The process of making this pair of jeans is pretty complex, and this is pretty much like a work of art right here. They pretty much distressed this pair of denim first, and someone hand lays these crystals onto a pair of patches and sews it together. So like I recently saw that that video on Amiri's Instagram. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about that while I'm going over this pair of jeans with you guys. This is purchased off the Amiri website. Hopefully that is focused right there. You could actually see the back tag right there. This is shipped directly from them. Everything is just so neat and detailed on this pair of jeans. On the back you get a little bit of hardware that shows Amiri on the right pocket right there. On the inside you get Amiri 32. And yeah, this was definitely a good cop on his website. So let me just talk to you guys a little bit about sales and early access stuff that usually happens. Generally speaking, when you guys get early access to a sale, you want to stay away from just the basic items that kind of just sits on the website throughout the season. Like the pair of Thrasher jeans, you don't need a cop. The pairs of Stack jeans, you don't need a cop. It's gonna be there. You don't need to take advantage of that. But for these limited pairs of jeans right here where they just don't make too many, this is the stuff that you guys want to take advantage of. Even the MX1 animation jeans were really limited. Those sold out really quick. The Grateful Dead jeans sold out really quick. Older MX1 sold out really quick. Any web exclusives, also anything that's really good looking, like a hoodie's really good looking. The leather pants that were really exclusive that Mike wears, you guys want to take advantage over those items versus copying the average item. Now if you're a person that doesn't like to dress really crazy, you can obviously take advantage of the basic items, but I do see bigger sales on other websites that you guys can find throughout the season. This is just what I recommend. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. As always, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, drop your comments down below. Give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn the notification on. Lsaverftw signing out. Peace.